I'm making an invention right now. I've got this piece of sheet metal, well, thick ass metal, that I cut off of that right there. And I'm going to use a socket, and I'm going to cut out the edges on it. And then I'm going to drill holes in this so that this lines up on there. And then use the nuts to drill down on the socket to get the valve springs out. Should be rather interesting. See how it works. This is a nice little trick I like to use. I use RTV, or I've also used like lotion and stuff before, just to mark it up. Then you take whatever piece that you want to and you stamp it on there, and it marks the holes. Just like that, the holes are marked, and it's time to start drilling. Let's see if it fits. Might have to make the holes bigger. Let's see. And have to make the holes bigger. But we're getting somewhere. Okay, this is what I've got so far. Got a little socket down there that I cut a slit out of. Now I'm just gonna try and see if it works. Oh, that didn't stay. Loosen it up a little bit. Try and get this one started again. Okay, we'll try this way. I think it's working. Hopefully. Okay. Now the whole freaking valve is going down. I've got this rag under here. Let's go underneath and see what's going on. Ah, I see. Okay. Not sure what to do there. Don't wanna damage these. I've just gotta give it a good press. Okay, it seems to work. Whoop. Looky there. Where the heck did that other bolt go? Oh, found it. In there. Oh my god. guess I'm going fishing later. Well, anyway, that invention worked great. Hard part's gonna be putting the keepers back in once I replace these and put in the dual valve springs. Awesome. Okay. Going to finish this off, and I will see you guys in the next video when we start to put the cam in and the heavy duty valve springs and valve seals, and I'm gonna clean all of this stuff up off camera so it's not boring. But yeah, get ready for the 276 turbo cam.